YouTube, what's poppin'? It's your girl Sharita21. Thank you so much for joining me. I am not doing braids today. I'm actually in between braid styles, and I just figured this would be a good time for us to talk about what to do with your hair in between braids. Because realistically, if wash day is a whole thing, then I'm pretty sure that takedown day and braid up day is a thing too. And realistically, all of this can't happen at the same time. So I have already taken down my old braid style, detangled my hair, did my whole pre-poo thing that I showed in my previous video. I'm going to link that here so that you can kind of see the tips there that I did as far as detangling and pre-pooing my hair in preparation for washing it. I did my whole wash day. I deep conditioned. Normally, I don't even go into the blow dry stage until I know for sure that I'm about to do my braids. And that's pretty much what happened. I had made a decision over the weekend that I was getting ready to do the braids, and then other things came up. I changed my mind on the braid style. Things just went left, and it's been a few days now, and I've been walking around with blow dry hair. So my blow dry hair was put into 2 braids on the side. Not really concerned with my hair reverting because it doesn't have to be bone straight anyway for me to braid it. The main concern is that I don't want to leave my hair unprotected while I'm waiting around to braid it. So normally I don't wear my hair in this blown out state, and I normally would have reserved that until I was closer to the braids. But today is Tuesday. Realistically, I'm not going to braid my hair before the weekend, so it's going to be a few more days, and I know it, and therefore I want to do something to protect my ends. That's my main focus. If you find yourself in the same position, you may be concerned with your scalp as well being dry while you're waiting to braid your hair back up. Now for me, I'm not really concerned about my scalp. I'm not experiencing any itching. I'm not having any flaking issues or anything like that. Things like Shine and Jam will kind of break down where they have no hold. They'll just kind of disintegrate into an oil when they come in contact with other products. So you just want to be mindful of that kind of thing. Now, if you know it's going to be several days before you go to braid your hair, then you may still be okay to oil your scalp and then come back later and still apply a product like Shine and Jam. But for me, I'm not going to do that. My main concern is that I do not want my ends to get dry and brittle as I'm waiting to braid it up. I mean, especially since I'm not going to blow it back out, but in this, I want to kind of take care and protect my ends, not adding moisture per se, but some type of lubricant on the ends of my hair while I'm waiting to braid it up. So I wanted to share with you, I am natural. If I had not have blown my hair out, what I would have done if I just got through wash day and my hair was still wet, I most likely would have used one of my natural hair, curly hair products. So I would have used something like my Eden's Curl Define Cream, and I would have put that on the ends and then braided it up just the same if I had caught it before I blow dried it. But since I blow dried it, I don't want to put a product in there that is going to make it want to curl back up. Essentially, that just defeats the whole purpose of blow drying it, and I don't want to blow dry my hair again before I actually braid it. So what I'm going to do instead is I'm going to use this product, this olive oil. This is the ORS oil moisturizing hair lotion, and a lot of people that are relaxed use this product. Pretty much I'm trying to keep my hair from reverting and wanting to curl back up, but I still want to put some type of lubricant on my ends when I put it up. So I'm just going to show you like something cute that I'm going to do just because I'm going to be wearing my hair like this for a few days until I get back to braiding it. So here we go. I already have my center part. I'm going to clean it up just a little bit because I did do this in the shower and I didn't really care about it being straight. So I'm just cleaning that up a little bit, not much. You can see and you can see there that my ends are already trying to tangle up a little bit, which I don't like, and that's exactly why I'm here. All right, so I'm gonna pull this piece out of the way for a second. And I'm just gonna focus on one side. So what I'm gonna do is go ear to ear. I'm gonna do 3 sections on each side, and So I'm just parting ear to ear along the back. Hold that up. I didn't bring any pins in here, which I don't know why, but that's what I did. All right, I'm gonna focus on this back side. And I'm not trying to use a lot. I kind of feel like that is too much for this little section, but I'm gonna use it anyway. And I'm just going to smooth that over that section. And I do want to get the kitchens. I do wrap my hair up every night, regardless of whether it's done or not. But you always want to have some type of lubrication around your edges, even when you have a satin scarf on, because those things move around and they can snag hair. So it's always good to have something on it. All right, just combing through that. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to braid the roots and then twist the ends. So boom. All right, so I got my little braided twist on that one side. And then I'm going to do the same thing up here. I'm going to do 2 more sections on this side. And this time I'm just going to part ear to ear upwards. So I'm going up this way. This is generally my parting pattern when I go to do braids too. In most cases, this is the way I part my hair for my braids, so I can section off my front section. Of course, the parts don't have to be ultra straight. This is just an in-between hairstyle. All right, I'm going to do the same thing on this section. This section is a little bigger, probably the bigger section between the 3. If it makes me feel like I should have parted the back a little bit different, but that's all right. I'm adding a little bit more. My daughter swiped my bigger comb, so I'm using this pick, but that is okay. I'm still being gentle with my ends and detangling, not just yanking through it. All right, and then I'm going to do the same thing on this one. All right, and finally the top one. Same thing. All right, so that's my 3 twists on that side. I'm gonna do the same thing on the other side of my head. Try to All right, so that's it. This is the hairstyle that I'm gonna wear in the meantime while I'm waiting to put my braids in. Don't drag me for my ends, please. I don't want to hear it. Don't drag me about this pimple either, because I don't want to hear it. You know, life comes at you fast. So anyway, let me show you how I'm gonna wear this, like if I need to leave the house. Hold on. All right, so one thing I like to do when I'm getting ready to leave the house or something like that, even if I just gotta make a quick run, I like to put a scarf on this so that I don't feel like I'm just walking around with some dookie braids in my head. So what I'll do is take my big scarf and I will just lay it on my head like this. Actually, for this one, I will unravel it a little bit. I usually wear this more like a bandana almost, where I just kind of lay it around the edges. But in this case, I will open my scarf up a little bit more. And then I would just lay that on my head like this to cover up the whole top of it. So I would lay it like on my forehead. I usually like to center my flowers too, because you see this scarf has different flowers on it and stuff. But anyway, okay. So I lay it on my head like this, like almost like a bandana. You see how far it's going down in the back. And then I take it and I fold it back over itself like this. So this is how I'm going to wear it. So I will fold it, kind of tuck the back down. I don't know if you can hear me. Tuck the back down like this, and then fold the bandana over it. Like that. Okay, and then I bring it back around the front, and I just tie it. So I usually do like 3 ties, and then I'll just take the ends and kind of wrap it around and make a little rosette. And then tuck the ends and the tag underneath one of the edges like that. Okay, so that makes my little rosette. And you see, so I have 2 things I could do when I wear it. Either I can pull them all towards the back like this, pull that one behind my ear, and then wear them like this. Or I can pull that one that was in the 2 that's in the front. I can pull them in front of my ears like this. Then make sure my ones from the side are coming out to the side so it evens itself out. Pull my scarf back down. And then I will wear it like this. I like it like this. I think it's cute. And it looks purposeful, like I'm not just wearing some random hairstyle, some random dookie braids or something while I'm waiting to do my hair. It actually looks like I did this on purpose. So I like this hairstyle. I should have done my back twist, those first ones, a little bit thicker, but that's okay. You see the middle ones are like super thick. But it's all good. That's the point of the style. So in most cases, I'm still in the house anyway. Either take the scarf off to let my hair breathe, or I can just wear my regular bonnet or whatever around the house. And either way, my hair has some moisture, some protection on it. And then also, I don't have to go through the whole process again to blow it out again when I'm finally ready to go do my braids. So I mean, realistically, don't nobody feel like doing hair all the time. That's just what it comes down to. And so even if I start a braid challenge, doesn't matter. That doesn't mean I want to braid my hair. So there's still things to do in between. I am still on my braid challenge, but for now I am in between. So this is what it is. I hope you guys have enjoyed. If you did, like the video. Also subscribe to my channel and watch my other videos too. Leave me some feedback. I want to hear your suggestions for the next braid style I should do. I already have my next one lined up, but I'm always looking for new styles. So hit me up, let me know. Also follow me on the gram. It's the same handle, Sharita21. Love you guys. Thanks for watching.